Hello everyone. In Tableau Knowledge Bytes series, let's see how to compare a company with other companies, but only for the products that both companies sell. For example, here I have shown you the products as well as the companies and their sales. If I want to compare my company with that of competitor one, I have to show. I can show first product because it has been sold by both the companies. The second product I can't show because it has been sold by only my competitor and not by me. Similarly, the third product. And if you see here, this product, this 3M office air cleaner, this has been sold only by my company and not by my competitor. So here as well, I should not show this product. So the problem is pretty much straight. Um, I have to compare the sales of my company with my competitor by looking up the products which are sold by both my company as well as by my competitors. So let's see how to do that with the help of parameters and calculated fields. So I have created a parameter called compare with. This is pretty much straight. This is just a string type parameter, and I have given the competitor names. This field as a list. So let me just show this in the view. Um, So from here, the user can select which competitor he can compare with. But this has no action in the view. So in order to set up an action, I've created another field called competitor filter. So this is nothing but it will show your company as well as the company which you select. So central is nothing but since I've used a superstore sales data set, I've renamed this region field as companies for the demonstration purpose. So companies here is nothing but it's my company. So central here is nothing but my company. So it will show you my company sales as well as the competitor which I choose from the parameter. So let me bring in this into the filter pane. Um, so now you can see that whenever you choose this competitor or the companies from the compare with parameter, you can see that it is being displayed in the view. Now, the next thing we have to do is to show only the products sold by both the companies. So for this, I've used a calculated field called as product exist. So if you see the calculation, it is nothing but count of the product name. So it will just count the products. So let me bring this into the view. So now you can see that the first product, for the first product, it is showing 1 and 1. And for the second product, my company, it is showing null or showing nothing. But for my competitor, it is showing 1. So now the idea is pretty much simple. If you add these two fields, it should be 2. You need to show only the rows whose sum is 2. For that, I've used another calculated field. Um, so if you see the calculation, starting from the first cell, I'm just doing a running sum here. And let me pull this into the filter and give at least 2 as the value. So this will show only the products sold by both the companies. Okay. Um, so now you can see. So this is sold by both the companies. So the value is 2 and 2. This is sold by um, only by my competitor. So it is 1 and 1. So now if I put it into a filter with at least 2s value, we can get the products sold by uh, both the companies. Okay, so let me remove this. So we have arrived at what we wanted to achieve. So these are the products sold by both the companies. So let me check with competitor 2. So you can see that 733 products are in common between my company and my competitor. And competitor, if I click competitor 3, we can see that 1069 products are commonly sold between my company and competitor 3. So this is how we have used these parameters to you know to get or to compare the products which is sold by both the companies. Now, instead of just keeping it as a table, I've just formatted it as a bar chart. So I've formatted my sales as a bar chart and my competitor's sales as a reference line. And what are all the products which are performing poorer? That is where my sales is where my company sales is less than the competitor's sales. I have just given it another color so that you can quickly grasp what are the products which are performing poor. So this is how we arrived at quick competitor analysis using Tableau parameters and calculated fields. Thank you.